Here is an Aerofoot review. Aerofoot is actually can be accessible on Google Chrome or Google for you to be able to see the physical features. As you can see, it has a very different models that you can choose from, which actually offers a very cheap price from $44 as the cheapest. As you can see, it is a lightweight to zero drop sneakers and has a very variety of colors such as black, blue, green, and rose. There's also different varieties of sizes, and also these are the key features. It has a wide toe box, zero drop sole design, beautiful mesh upper, durable rubber outsole, slip-on style with elastic band, and suitable for trail running, hiking, beach, and outdoor fitness. So if you're looking for a very nice and comfortable rubber shoes, Aerofoot is the good one to purchase on your end.